سلام، حالتون چطوره؟ من نرگس هستم. Hello, how are you? I'm Nargis and I'm here to tell you how to make sentence in Persian. First of all, I will start with subject. I is man. You, singular, is تو. She and he, both of them, is او. We is ما. You, this time plural, is شما. And they is آنها. In English, both you, plural, and singular are same, but it's different in Persian. But when you want to respect more, we can use plural you, which is شما, for singular you, which is تو, too. Please do subscribe this channel before watching the rest of video. I will tell you the words places right now. We use subject, then object, at the end of sentence, verb. When we want to make sentence, we have to use infinitive. But just pay attention to some infinitive that I will say right now. خوردن, رفتن, شستن. There's something same in all of them, which is ne. For making sentence, we have to remove that ne, and instead of that, we will add suffix. For example, I want to say, I am Iranian. I told you, first of all, subject, which is man, then object, which is Iranian, at the end, verb. But how can I use verb? I told you, I will use infinitive of it. For example, هستن means being. I will remove that ne, so it's hast, and will add its suffix, which is am. من ایرانی هستم. من ایرانی هستم. You are Iranian. تو ایرانی هستی. تو ایرانی هستی. I want to say she is beautiful. او زیبا هست. Why doesn't have suffix? She and he, which is u in Persian, doesn't have suffix. I want to say we are beautiful. ما زیبا هستیم. So suffix is im. You are beautiful. شما زیبا هستید. id. So it is suffix. And they are beautiful. آنها زیبا هستند. So I will repeat verbs once more time. من هستم. تو هستی. او هست. ما هستیم. شما هستید. آنها هستند. Now I will say one sentence and tell me what's the meaning in comments below. شما عالی هستید. Thanks for watching. till next video.